Korean films is like hotcakes in the state, especially among the youngsters.
나 많이 늙었어.
고생은 뭐.
잘 있겠지 뭐.
However, after what had happened with El Sarita at the ongoing Incheon Asian Games, many people across the state are voicing their anger against South Korea. Among them is a 23-year-old fan Vivek Kumar, a painter and a life member of Art Society of Manipur from To Kongnam. Showing his support for Sarita and protesting against a biased judgment, Vivek Kumar today burned many DVDs of Korean movies. Vivek had himself purchased DVDs from DVD vending shops, and some are given to him by the shop owners as a support to his idea of protesting.
ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯗꯦꯕꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯆꯦ ꯁꯩꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯁꯤꯕꯨꯛꯇꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯁꯥ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯕꯨꯛꯇ ꯑꯩ ꯇꯧꯖꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡ ꯊꯧꯒꯠꯄꯤꯕꯅꯤ.
Impact News also received many comments in our Facebook page supporting Sarita, hailing her for what she has done, some showing anger against the Korean Indian officials, some asking for the amendment of the IBA rules. A daylight robbery happened in Incheon, Korea, and the shameless International Olympic Association and the heartless Indian Olympic Association officials are still keeping mum, said Upendra Sharma. Indian boxer El Sarita Devi will be the exemplary of bravery, sacrifice and selfless to the world history, especially to the Korean, writes Brojen Longjam. What had happened with El Sarita is irreversible by any form of protest. However, all these protests and comments at least show that people are with Sarita and will stand by till justice is done to her. With camera person Subhash Shunkam and video journalist Ramananda Leshangtim, this is Kishore Chandra Wangkhemcha, Impact News.